Hey, what's up, guys? Back at it. Granatelli 3-inch electric cutout, which is right here. I'm gonna slap this on right now. All right, so let me show you my exhaust real quick, what I did to it. Did some cutting, so you can't. Let me just show you real quick. All right, so there's your ARH Y pipe, catted Y pipe. Ends there. I cut a piece of pipe I had left over, like I think about a 4.5-inch, 5-inch piece. Stuck it there. Don't laugh at that cut. My eyes were closed when I cut it. I'm having a hard time with that strap from ARH, by the way. That's why I'm bright red right now. I've been fighting to get it on. I'll get it on. Anyway, there's the pipe. There's my existing exhaust. I'm gonna upgrade my muffler soon. And there's the Y pipe. Here's the Y pipe from Granatelli. Let me shift out of that. Yep. There's the Y pipe from Granatelli. What I did was I held it on the pipe. I marked it, you know, because it's a slip-on. This slides in and out. I can push this back maybe an inch. It's on rubber grommets, hangers. And I'm gonna pop this on. This won't be recorded because I'm going to be a lot of full letter words. So let me get this on and I'll turn the camera back on. There you go, it's in. That actually took about 8 seconds. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I've just been having such a rough time getting this strap. This bolt isn't long enough. I'll get it on, but it was been a pain in the butt. But so what I did was put pipe in here all the way in, because this is, geez, this is going to be about, let's see. Yeah, about 2.5, 2.75 inches here. So I slid it all the way in, put this on the pipe first, pushed it back, and then kind of slid this in. And it's all the way to here. This pipe probably goes right there, which is enough because the strap will hold it. And there's straps they give you from Granatelli to go here and here. And I'll adjust this, and I'll put the electric cutout on with the dump. That's next. Just a heads up, I did loosen the flanges on the headers. That way it was much easier. That way I could line up this pipe here to get it perfectly lined up with my existing exhaust. Loosen it up. See, you know, it's lined up, and I'll tighten them up after. All right, before I forget, well, I finally got that strap on. Anyway, these are the straps they give you. This is a slip-on kit, obviously, which I like, because if I ever want to take it out and put something else in, or a pipe in, I can do it myself, you know what I mean? But these are the straps, stainless steel straps, which are going to hold on to it and keep it from leaking, etc. And I'm going to rotate this. I'm going to get the motor on soon. I want to show you guys something on the motor real quick. All right, so they give you some shrink wrap for the connections. A very simple connection too. That connection to the wire, which in turn goes to a switch. I'll show you that later. But I know a lot of people have tried electric cutouts and they don't last very long. You know, maybe a year or two. I'm trying to make this one last because it's good quality. So this boot I took off, and the connections were right here. And what I did, just to help with longevity, I put some dielectric grease all over it, the connections, and I put it around this shaft, so when the boot slides on, you know, it's somewhat sealed. It helps with the, you know, helps keep water out. And that's what this stuff's for. Dielectric grease. A little packet from AutoZone. It's like $1. It's worth it. And then this is open too, which I noticed. You know, this thing's gonna be pointing up, but you know, you're driving in the rain. I'm gonna stick some silicone in here just to keep the water out. It's a little loose around that boot. Oh man, look at those wheels. Street wheels right there. All right, anyway, so instead of having the Y pipe pointing to the frame and dumping on here, I can't, there's no room. The dump won't fit on, and the motor's just too close to the frame. I rotated it, and that's where it's going. It's gonna kind of point towards the Well, the Y pipe's pointing towards the drive shaft, but I'm gonna have the dump point down. What's great about this dump right here is when it's on, it has a V-strap that goes on it. I can turn it anywhere I want. So what I'll do is I'll just aim it towards the back of the truck, so the noise goes basically to the back of the truck. I can point it down. I can put it anywhere I want, which is cool. 360 degrees, which is really cool. It's all heavy duty stuff too, all stainless steel. This is like a 1 pound V bracket. Thing's sweet. V strap bracket, whatever the heck you want to call it. Let's get this heat shield out of the way. Again, I'm gonna put silicone in here. I haven't done it yet. And then the wiring. So right now, I'm going to, all right, good. I was gonna make a video so you can see it open later. But that's where it's going. I'm gonna tilt it down just a little bit in case it gets condensation so that water can come out as it pleases. And I think we're good. I'm gonna tighten the straps up. These 3 bolts. What's cool about this too, the bolt goes through the flange, gasket, your cutout, another gasket, and then this flange for the dump goes on, and this is threaded in here, so you don't need any nuts. You put the lock washer on, a washer, and you just tighten it, bang, done. Simple and easy. I'll have to figure out this wiring later, but there you go. All right, let's, I'm gonna put the dump on and then we'll do some wiring. All right, there it is assembled. Straps are tight. The dump's on, the turn down's on. And I kind of have it pointed to the ground, you know, underneath the middle of the truck. Make some noise with that. That thing looks pretty sweet. Let's wire it up. All right, guys, the Granatelli electric cutout is in. The wiring for it, I have to get some more wire to get the toggle switch into the cab. I don't like splicing wires inside my cab. I like to go directly to the battery and ground it out here. I don't like splicing wires. It's just a thing I do. I'm not a fan of it. So with that being said, I do have the switch right here. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna turn it on and off so we can hear the difference. I'm gonna put the, I'll put the phone underneath so you can watch the gate open and close and hear the difference. It's gonna sound pretty sweet. Here you go, guys. Little front seat for the noise. Yeah, buddy! Put the creep on. I got the fan on, that's why there's dust everywhere. But there it is. Pretty well hidden too. It's about the same height as the exhaust pipe itself, about 1 inch lower. Yeah. And here's the view from the back. I got the fan on because the exhaust fumes, but All right, there you go. The Granatelli electric cutout for the 3-inch. Comes with a Y pipe, the flange, a little turn down dump for it. We'll see how long it lasts, see how it works. I'll do a couple of videos as well, you know, driving around, turning on and off, the noise difference inside the cab, etc., etc. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Stay tuned.